morning, guys. We're back here in the garden. So today I'm going to finish Hanna'S sandbox. So as you see, the gazebo is not stable yet, but I can move it anytime. So for now, I'm going to put all the lumber there and the bricks, and I'm going to start making the sandbox.
I think of all the times we lay looking up out at the stars. Nervous of the way you make me feel. You're setting fire to my heart. Before you, oh, what was that? I don't recognize, now I'm looking back. How I adore you, it can't be matched, no. Ooh. All my love honestly, I never thought we'd meet and fall and land into this truth. Oh, before you, oh, what was that? I don't recognize, now I'm looking back.
I put a liner inside a plastic, and then I also put some of the bricks there because there is a little gaps. I probably gonna add some more rocks in this side, and then just a liner inside, like a plastic or a cardboard, so that the sand don't erode. So yeah, I'm thankful. I probably gonna finish this here in an hour or two, and yeah, hopefully the rain, yeah, because as you see guys, this is our weather today. There's a little bit drizzle, and then sometimes very thick rain, and then stop and drizzle, and then sunny. So it's a little bit crazy weather today, but I'm gonna finish the sandbox. So now I'm going to fill it up with the sand.
One shot, let's go, let's go. You know that I won't lie like this. I don't wanna hide everything, like say that we're just friends, but no friends don't kiss. I feel my body giving in. You want my heart, baby, you say it don't faze me, but oh no, that's not how I think. You make my mind hazy, I know it sounds crazy, but maybe we could be a thing. I'll give it one shot, make it hot, show me what you bring. No, no, don't stop, talk a lot, tell me what you think. One shot to a lifetime, give you my all, yeah, yeah. One shot, make it hot, one shot. I'm thinking it's for life with you. My God is telling me don't go, so won't you stay a while, stay a while? Who knew that we could end up super close? You want my heart, baby, you say it don't faze me, but oh no, that's not how I think. You make my mind hazy, I know it sounds crazy, but maybe we could be a thing. I'll give it one shot, make it hot, show me what you bring. No, no, don't stop, talk a lot, tell me what you think. One shot to a lifetime.
So the sun is really feel good in the hand. I'm kind of enjoying it.
Okay. I don't wanna be friends no more. I wanna run my eyes if you raise that score. One hot, gotta shoot your shot, better make a start, give it all you got, and jump into the deep and make it last a lifetime. Baby, you make me feel so complete. I'll give it one shot, make it hot, show me what you bring. No, no, don't stop, talk a lot, tell me what you think. One shot to a lifetime, give you my all, yeah, yeah. One shot, make it hot, don't make. I'll give it one shot, make it hot, show me what you bring. No, no, don't stop, talk a lot, tell me what you think. One shot to a lifetime, give you my all, yeah, yeah. One shot, make it hot, one shot. The kind of love is right now. I really feel I am flying, releasing my troubles. And although you're so far, I really feel we're entwined. We'll wait till it's right for us to be looking at the stars from my balcony, wondering about what the future will bring. Oh, we'll have made it so far. Looking at each other and knowing how we've been through a lifetime. Here we are now. Oh, we made it this far. You'll do what you need. I'll sing me a song. We'll meet when we meet. Touch base and walk on. I'm kinda choked up right now. I really feel you can hear me and get this wherever you are. As you breathe in the space, as I breathe in the city, we'll know when it's right for us to be looking at the stars from my balcony, wondering about what the future will bring. Oh, we'll have made it so far. Looking at each other and knowing how we've been through a lifetime. Here we are now. Oh, we made it this far. Are now. Oh, we made it this far.
Keep picking the flowers.
You sit there.
Like to see my
You sit there.
They're here.
I think you have your son buckets. So here, Mama want you to change your paint. As a paint, you go around the shoe.
Yippee!
You need to wear chinelas. Okay?
Okay, so no socks on.
No, just chinelas. But leave the shoes outside. Hannah gave me a flowers, so she's running around at the back and picking some of the flowers. And yeah, so guys, our sandbox is done, and Hannah will gonna play now. So she go in and change. Yeah, so yeah, I actually enjoyed doing it, and yeah, so I'm just gonna adjust this, and I'm going to settle the bottom, and that should be it. And so look at guys, so this is our end after. There you go. Ayan guys, look what I found. We put this in the box because we are planning to donate it, but I'm thankful that my husband actually saved it. There. I got a surprise for you. There you go, you got your toys.
Yippee!
Mama gonna put it here, okay? And then you just grab it and
Can you help me?
it's actually hot. So,
Oh, good.
so I probably gonna put the umbrella here.
I like the sun.
Yeah, but it's really hot right now.
like-
Mama don't want to get sick.
Oh. Should I make a sandcastle?
You can.
Pet, pet. We need a flat place. So we need a path on a place. Like there. Then we need it. Flip side. Oh.
You fine?
Mhm.
Okay. Hold on, Mama gonna blow it. So if you guys like this project and what I've done here, please give us a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Welcome, we are in the sandbox with the ducks. This is Uncle Dan, and then this is Bam. Uncle Dan, get out of there. They keep going in here. Oh my God!
I don't know why they go to the they keep going there. Hi. Hi.
Come on. Come on, big mama. Stop falling in here. Mom, I'm building.